guys, welcome back to another food Q&A. The question today was, I control my eating and I eat healthy foods. I also monitor my drink intake, but I still can't lose weight. What do I have to do to lose weight?
That's a big one, when we look at it. Like we say, we're not doctors or anything else. One of the main things is asking yourself, when did this start to happen? And during the time that it started happening, did it progress to get worse? And what are you, when you're saying that you eat well, what is eating well? Everybody will have a different category to eating well. On top of that, you should check, with your doctors, different things, thyroids, all these other things. But we're not doctors, but you want to balance out your eating. And maybe you want to start off with certain teas in the morning, a certain relaxation in the morning, giving thanks to yourself, and then maybe eating so many hours pre-prep meal that will use vegetables towards helping with stress, anxiety, weight loss, inflammation. So if you need any more help, eat a little better and find out what you call eating well. Sometimes people say gluten and gluten free, and sometimes your body doesn't agree with it. Some people do, some people don't. On top of that, maybe did you ever get allergy testing or anything else, instead of trying to rack your brain around something and balancing your emotions? But if you need anything else, contact us. Thank you. We only had so many videos. Subscribe, link to us, see what you need to do. But just in the little bit of videos we got out, we're already getting questions, and it's amazing. Stick to the program, watch it. In our house to your house, worldwide. What a service. We love you.